morning, everybody. We are here. Who do we have first in the chat today? We've got Frank first in the chat. Pika Power, Frank, Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby, dabbing on him like always. We've got J5 Frank, Pika Kalani, Pugnacious Victor, Pugnacious Kalani, Victor Kalani, Pika. Who else we got in here? Nick F, good morning to you, my man. Victor Kalani, Cassie, Vengeance, good day to you as well. Alice in Wonderland, Keith, Joel, Sammy, Pika Pop. Everybody's green, man. I love it. Green and blue. Frank, Vengeance, Danelle, Devil's Advocate with a new picture. What is this? Like, it's too small. I can't even see this new picture. Devil's Advocate, what's going on, man? Good morning, ladies, gentlemen, and Chris. Chris, if you're in here, AMC Trapper, what's happening? Shitsu Inu, CD Wit, good morning to you as well. The market is looking good. Street Surf Slumpy, how you doing? Let's go on over and see what we got going on in the market today. AMC up 4.5%, sitting at 1655 right now. I think we're going to be knocking on 17's door here pretty soon. We're going to see if we can bust on through. Tapped out 1677 today, sitting at 1655 right now. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 2367. GameStop 106.13, up almost 13% right now. We got Prague soaring, flying. Everything is doing pretty well this morning. Prague's up 13%. GameStop's up 13%. We got Farmy sitting up 3.5%. The NASDAQ is up almost 2% today. Go up here to Sundial, up 7% on the day. Molinado, it is back down below $3 per share right now. That's all right. We've got the SPY up above a 1% right now. BBIG sitting kind of flat. And HYMC getting the breath of life out of something this morning, and it tapped $1.50, and now it's on its way back down after a pretty volatile morning, going down to $1.11. So we've got some volatility going on there. We had a nice run. We got a nice sell-off happening right now. So we're gonna have to see what happens with Highcroft Mining, but man, I'm telling you, good news across the board so far. I'm expecting some continuation of the good news. Good morning, the Granddaddy Funk. Good morning to you. Let's do it. Let's get it, Cassie. Bitcoin, 42,700 per coin, and things are looking great for the market. Pika Power, that they are. Crypto looking pretty good this morning as well. Stock market looking very good. I like the optimism we got out there right now. HYMC moving. What's going on? AMC Trapper, you got me, man. You got me. It was moving up and moving right back down. So I don't know if this is going to fall as fast as it rose, but it did have a breath of life getting kicked into it for a second there. It rose all the way from a $1.10 this morning, $1.11 to $1.50, and now it's on its way back down. Might be settling down a little bit. No idea where that enthusiasm came from on HYMC this morning, but we're seeing it. Terra going parabolic. Luna Terra, is that what you're talking about? Or are we talking about something else, man? Terra Force Tech? Are we talking about, yeah, you gotta be talking about Luna Terra, right? With 2 R's, Luna Terra, no, maybe not going parabolic. Which one are we talking about? There's gotta be something else that I'm missing. I don't think it's that. I don't care to have Luna Terra on there either. Zella, no. STRR, I don't know if anybody wants to watch that one. You guys ask about VLAN. Tilray, I know Chris has got Tilray. Oh, VLAN, no, Vion is the one you guys look at. We'll keep that one on there. And then Interventions, Red B, Crypto Racketeer likes that one. SoFi, we can put that back on there if you want. Uber, let's clean this up a little bit. We don't need HYMCZ, no. Bank of America, we don't look at that too often. No, GHSI, nah. Nile. Somebody was looking at Nile the other day. JagX, Wheat. I don't care about Wheat. HYMC, it's Highcroft Mining. Indonesia Energy. Okay, get rid of that. Ford, we keep Ford on there. I got some Ford. DocuSign, I don't know if you guys want to keep that on there or not. Agra, we could watch that. Plug, good deal. Luna, don't care. Dutch Bros Coffee. DWAC sitting at 69 bucks right now. Let's see. Ammo, 6 cents. American Virtual. Gosh, man, American Virtual sitting at 16% gain today. It's not bad at all, man. Stock's running. Walt Disney, 141. BBIG. All right, we still got a lot on there. Chainlink. I don't know if we ever look at Chainlink. All right, good enough for now. We can clean that up later if we need to. Can we see a penny in this run? Aurelius. So, listen. This run that we're currently in, no, we're not going to see a penny in like the short term. Short term, a penny price gets you a $5 trillion valuation. I don't think you're going to see a penny on any run in the near term future. Okay, I'll put it that way. I think it's going to take a lot to get Shiba Inu coin to a penny. I think it's possible if the overall crypto market continues to grow, but I don't see Shiba hitting a penny anytime soon, dude. Terrarium. Let's see. Polygon. We got Polygon on here? No, we used to. Dude, I gotta be looking something up wrong. I don't know, man. I don't know why it's not showing up for me. I know I gotta be looking something up wrong, Klon. T-E-R-A-R. Hey, if it's a penny stock, it may not be in Webull. Because I'm not seeing it on Webull, man. If it's a crypto, it also might not be in Webull. Vengeance, you're no longer the only Batman pick. How's it feel? Ooh, Devil's Advocate. I can't even tell it's Batman, dude. Honestly, I can't even tell it's Batman. It's so small for me. BBIG can hit $4 in April. Let's get it. Vengeance, man. I hope you make some sick money on BBIG. I do not own any BBIG, but it's rolling up 2% right now on a little run. Sitting here at 313, up 2% on the day. Going for, listen, I do think that BBIG hitting $4 is not out of the question. You're going to have some resistance here at 380, so keep that in mind, this 370 to 380 level. But $4 is an easy possibility if it breaks this resistance line right here. We clearly already broke this one, and it seems to be using it as support now. Boom, tapped it yesterday. Boom, tapped it today. Moving back higher. So this 280 level is now a level of support. The next level of resistance you guys are going to have is in this range, right in here. So we'll just leave it at 365, and you guys can look at that. If it breaks out of this, yeah, man, I'd say you're on game for $4 there. You'll have some trouble here. So if you pull back a little bit, don't get scared of a pullback on BBIG in that 360 to 380 range. I would say that should be expected. Beyond that, dude, rolling for 4. Rolling for 4, Vengeance. I hope you get it, man. Especially if you guys are in BBIG. I do not own any, but it would be nice if you guys made some money on it. Let's go. Molinoto's still down 6% on the day there. Let's keep it. Prog's rolling today. Let's keep Prog on there. It doesn't look like a barcode today. Clearbro, I might be wrong. My feeling on payment for order flow is it looks good, but it's untrustworthy when you think about it. Market makers are corrupted. Anyone who tells you different is in their pocket. Here's the thing, man. Yeah, but you still can't blame that on payment for order flow, though. You know what I mean? Like, you can't blame that on payment for order flow. If everybody did what they were supposed to do, there's nothing wrong with payment for order flow. All they're doing is saying, dude, route your orders through me. I promise I'm going to give you the best fill at the best price, the best possible scenario for your customer, because I have a fiduciary duty to do so. I mean, I'm required by law to do that. So send your order through me. I'll give you a kickback. We could do business. It's like, a cost of sale. So that's not payment for order flow's fault, though, man. That's a market maker's fault. And I'm going to go as far to say is I don't want to get rid of market makers. I like market makers. I like the fact that if I want to sell a stock that I own, all I have to do is click a sell button. I understand that you can get taken advantage of by pennies on each transaction or by halves of pennies on each transaction. But, dude, that liquidity, being able to go out there and just click that button and get rid of it, it's worth something. And I know you guys agree with that. Now, how do you take that corruption possibly out of market makers or the possibility off the table for them to screw you? I don't know. Is it completely computerized at that point? Who knows? Because you can have people writing dirty code and cheating people that way. It's not necessarily the emotion, but you can code with greed inherent in the code too. So I don't know the answer, but I do know that the problem isn't payment for order flow. You are right. It's the bad guys on the other end of it that are trying to take advantage of it. And sorry guys, it's springtime, okay? It's not warm out yet, but I can see that the trees are getting some green and the grass is getting some clovers in it and everything. And I may have a little more allergies than I had over the winter time. So if you guys see me sniffling a little bit, we're all good. Two Batmans. Who's the imposter? Hopefully you can figure out the real one. Evening, G. Clay. Good evening to you, Jim from Wales. How's your day, man? Who's helping contribute to burning Shiba? I know a lot of people are, Pugnacious. A lot of people are. Devil's Advocate, you're the only one who follows my Insta, so only you know my identity. Nice, man. Vengeance and Devil's Advocate are best friends. I know they are. The allowed abuse of it. Yes. AMC Trapper, facts on that all day. The allowed abuse of anything is not right, man. And I completely agree with that across the board. The bad part is, and I wish I did have an answer, is that I don't have an answer to it, you know? I'm sure if you got a group of people together and sat them down, they would be able to figure it out. And even if I did sit down and think of it for a while, people could come up with different recommendations and things. But I don't know the answer to stop greed. Because that's what the real problem is greed. It's them shaving a penny. Just being orders or just having orders routed through you isn't enough. They need more. They need that fraction of a percent, that 1/100th of a penny on a million different transactions per day, and things like that. Well, we'll route it through here and so on. That's the part that gets you, and that part is comprised of greed. I don't know how to stop the greed. What do you think? Ape climbing a little soon. Bought FOMO and currently at 25% down. Of Apecoin? Jim, you talking about Apecoin, man? Thinking about if you bought Apecoin, you're down 25% right now. Look, man, I know that Apecoin's going to be volatile. The video I did on it yesterday, I talked about weighing the pros and cons of getting in now as opposed to waiting a little bit. It is going to be much more volatile following its release than it will after the dust kind of settles and people get used to its floor price. I don't know when it's going to run again, but I do believe that Apecoin could do well, strictly based on its association with Bored Ape Yacht Club. Claybrow's weakness, Paulin. Dwight, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. I understand completely how Superman feels with kryptonite. Like, no doubt in my mind. Dude, sometimes it's so bad, and I'm just talking like going outside and having a good day. Like, I'm going to pull some weeds in the mulch bed and things like that. Or just going outside and sit on the patio. It's so bad, dude. I'm sitting there like it's debilitating, man. Hey, bro, I'm here for AMC Short, interested in them honeys. I mean, out of respect for these women, not to be rude. No, CJ, man, I don't listen. Unless you're making it creepy or something, I don't think anybody's going to take that as rude. We do have some very beautiful people in this chat, and I am grateful for that, CJ. Just the thing is, man, some people can take it too far and be creepy about it. Yes, we do have some very beautiful people in here. Almost forgot. Happy. I forget how to say that volcano. Ilakavajacalo? I forget how to say it. Wait, also, his nose hair. My nose hair is good, I think. The nose hair does tickle me sometimes. But the allergies, man, the allergies are like kryptonite. I'm telling you that right now. It's literally a scam from Office Space. Granddaddy Funk, what's the scam from Office Space? I've never seen Office Space, man. Yes, something, Jim. I know I missed a couple in there, guys. Sorry about that. Everyone who follows me on Twitter, go vote for my poll. The responses are making me upset. What's your poll, dude? What is your poll that you're getting upset about? That means his house is really clean. I think that's a good thing, Dwight. I think that must be a good thing. Stop pulling it and start smoking it, Clay. I bet we'll take all the allergy. I bet it will take all the weed. No, No, dude, you gotta pull the weeds out of the mulch bed, man. You don't smoke those weeds. That's bad news, dude. It's bad news. Don't do that. Honeys is a gender-neutral term. We all know you were talking about Trapper, that sexy man. Yes, he probably was talking. The Trapper's a good dude, man. I like Trapper. Oh, you guys are crazy, man. I fiat yo local. I fiat yo local. Yes, I fiat yo local. Frank, man, thank you. I fiat yo local. It is a good mountain volcano, whatever it is. Let's pull on Devil's Advocate. Gotta get it out there. Get a shout out to my bandmate Joe the Jack. He's been listening to all this Bone, Leash, and Shib and thinking, WTF have I gotten my money invested in? Jim from Wales. Shout out to Joe the Jack. You got Jim from Wales and Joe the Jack, man. You guys are having a good day, right? His bandmate. I like it. Let's see. You better stop, boy. You better stop. Now, Clay, you need to take an allergy medicine. Yeah, I didn't know. I'm not going to live my life on medicine. Come on, I'd rather sneeze a couple times and want to, like, smack myself in the face and get over it. I'm not going to live my life on a pill. What do you make? But it does help. Sometimes I take Benadryl if it's really bad, and then I just go to sleep. What do you make of the whale buying $90 million in Shiba? Something big. CD wit, that's always the thing. I don't necessarily think that it means a big move is coming. A lot of people always think that whales have some sort of information bias, where they get the information first, and then they know something we don't know. So if you see big whales buying, excellent news, you should buy into. If you see big whales selling, terrible news, you got to sell off too. And I don't necessarily think it's that's the case. I think that people are realizing that Shiba Inu coin is looking pretty cheap right now. People are realizing that the crypto market is steadying out, and people are realizing that Shiba Inu coin moves bigger, faster, stronger than the other big coins that they like to tie their money up in, like Ethereum and Bitcoin and things like that. So I think you got some dude taking a very big chance on Shiba Inu coin moving higher, just because they want to take that 90 million and turn it into 190 million. Click! I was on Fortnite last night waiting for your sexy... Whoa. Well, I guess since you're not co-streaming, you wanted to wait for the $1,000 per share for AMC a few more days. Eric, it is true, man. It is true. We had some people in here saying that they wanted to get in. We didn't want it to go to $1,000 a share today because a couple more people wanted to load up on some shares before we jumped to $1,000 a share. So, yes, it's true, man. It's my fault that we're not at $1,000 today, but I just wanted to give everybody one last chance before we take off and rock it. Hey, bro, wait for the stereotype. Pugnacious, I got you, man. Whatever that means, I hope it's good. Good morning, everyone. I tried to get Gimmicks free mint today. Website crashed due to high traffic. They're fixing it now. Should be able to get my free Solana-based NFT soon. LFG. Frodo. Very nice, man, and I hope you do get it. These people didn't, I'm pretty sure Hype Bears wouldn't open up either. These people are just drastically underestimating the amount of traffic they're going to get. I feel you on not wanting to take medicine. I refuse to pay meds for a broken foot because I didn't want to come to Bennett 6 or so months later. Now it's jump roping again with no meds. Granddaddy Funk. I like it, dude. I like it. I may take some, well, depending on the pain medication, right? I might take a Tylenol or whatever, but I don't know, man. I'm not a huge medicine guy. Okay, fine, deal. Boom, Eric, perfect. And then we launch to 1,000. We're just giving everybody one last chance to jump in because Moas tomorrow, guys. Moas tomorrow. You guys gotta get in now. AMC sitting at 1650, 4% up on the day. Shiba Inu coin 2368, sitting flat this morning. GameStop sitting at 106.79, up 13.5% on the day. Man, it tapped 109, bounced back a little bit, looking very good this morning. Prague sitting at $1.60 right now, $1.59, up 11% on the day. We got the NASDAQ soaring above 14,000 points. We have Farmy sitting at 1661 flat. I got a good feeling if Farmy breaks out of this 1680 level that we're going to be going back into the 17s, especially with the flat action we've seen. Not too much volume on Farmy today. I think people might jump back in here, and really just a little bit of buying pressure could cause this stock to move today with the very short or the very small volume we've seen. Sundial, man. Sundial having a great day today. Sundial having a great week, actually. Let's look at the 1 hour chart here. Yeah, Sundial having a great week. coming down and tapping 45 cents flat. You guys can see it here. Taps 45 cents flat exactly here as well. So double bottom on that one there, rising nicely from 45 cents just last week, March 14th, whenever that was. So Monday and Tuesday of last week, man. And now it's sitting at 57.30, 57.45, hitting some new highs here. Sundial performing very nice today, up 8%. We've got Mullen Auto still down a little bit from where it was, pulling back a little bit, down 5% today. CEI sitting at 92 cents. BBIG up 1% on the day. And HYMC back down to $1.32 after going on a nice little run to $1.50 this morning. So hopefully, if you guys are... Is anybody in Highcroft Mining? I do not own any Highcroft Mining. I'm not sold on the play, man. Anybody in this? I'm not in Highcroft. I just got it on here so we can see what Adam Aaron's got going on with that gold mine. Hopefully he makes some money on it, but I don't own any Highcroft. Clay, a hot green tea with lemon and honey. You know, Danelle, I have seen that. And does anybody have any experience with this or anything? Because I've read it before. I kind of doubt it, but I don't know. I can kind of understand the theory behind it, but eating or, you know, whatever, taking some locally sourced honey, would that help with allergies? I mean, I get it because, you know, the bees go after all the plants and then you're kind of getting some of the pollen and things like that from locally sourced pollen sources or whatever. But has anybody ever done that and it's actually helped them with allergies? Because my seasonal allergies are terrible, man. Eeks! I almost dropped my laptop. Caught it just in time. Cassie, how did you type all of that as your laptop was falling? We're going to see GameStop cost to borrow keeps jumping 1.8% last week, 4% over 9% today. AMC hopefully follows suit. Dude, if AMC and these stocks start to follow suit and the cost to borrow goes up, yeah, it's going to be looking very good for potential short squeeze action if the cost to borrow rises. Right now, they can keep it going, man. It's super cheap. Devil's Advocate, I knew you were playing hard to get, Trevor. Don't worry. I ain't leaving. He's coming after you. I'm good with Cardano, hoping to... I missed it. Idiot, hoping... Oh, where did it go? Hoping to pass the dollar mark today. Lewis, very nice. I do not have any Cardano anymore. I sold my Cardano, I think, at $1.40. $1.20 maybe. I was going to get a little HYMC next week on payday just to watch it. Very nice, Springleton. Pick Power, you did it for me. Something to know. That green tea and honey did wonders for me. Nice, Speak Power. And then Vengeance says, you did it for... I got you. You are meant to eat a locally sourced... Well, you're King Toad. I didn't know I was meant to eat that, but I do really like honey. Yes, I have. It has to be local. So CD Wit, you're saying it works then? You're saying that's a good idea? Has to be natural antibiotic a property. It has natural antibiotic. Okay. So maybe I will get some then, because I just have like regular honey that you're getting grabbed from the grocery store right now. 16 votes and 79% choose endgame. You all disappointed me and underestimate the tragedy of truly being alone. Dang, man. Truly being alone. That's just tough, man. It's tough. It does help with allergies. The important part is that it's locally sourced. You need to take at least a spoonful every day. Tanner, I could easily eat a spoonful of honey every day. You guys might think it's gross, but every day I do, like, you guys know that I mix the vinegar with like my lemonade and stuff like that, give it a little kick. So I just keep like a little glass, a little glass container. I bought one, and I'm like, I like this. So then I just started mixing it my own. Instead of paying like $7 a container for it, you just get some apple cider vinegar, and then you put some honey in it, and then just shake it up and you pour it in your drink. Just like it spikes your drink a little bit, and I like it. So I can easily do that with locally sourced honey instead, because I do eat a little or drink a little honey every day. Send me into a dust storm. I don't even... Dwight, I'm going to be honest, man. I envy people who can be around like dogs and cats and not sneeze, and who can go outside when it's nice out and not sneeze. It's crazy. I can't comprehend just being able to like pet a cat or have a dog lick you and not sneezing like crazy, or going outside in springtime and enjoying the weather breaking and not having your nose tickle or your eyes water and wanting to sneeze. Dwight, you guys are like superhumans to me if you can do that. I agree with Danelle, but if you add purple onions, it will help even more. That's what my Cuban grandmother did for us. Dude, not nasty. I like onions, man. I like onions. Grandmother did this nasty, but it works. Lewis, what do you do with it, man? You add it in your tea, just chop it up and let it steam in there, or what do you do? I've had hay fever since I was 3 years old. It never seems to get a king toad. I'm telling you, man, it's to me, it's crazy. It literally can just leave you out. Hello, Clay. Hope everybody's doing well. Julia, we're doing great today. Prague loving the VWAP support. 2021, just January. A Trey would be loving this action. Oh, yes, the January Trey of 2021 would be loving that volume-weighted average price action on any stock. And you got to throw some cup and handles in there for good measure, man. You got to throw some cup and handles in there for good measure. Dude, I don't know, man. I don't know. I haven't watched any of Trey's lives in a while. I know he's trying to do a little bit more technical analysis, but people are just people hate on people for no reason, man. And I think it's all Twitter. I think it's Twitter versus YouTube. I think the people that do hang out on YouTube are a little bit more receptive to what's going on out there. The Twitter people, they just hate on it. Chew on beeswax. Interesting. I've never done that, Danelle. Is that a good thing? Like, is anybody second that? I've never chewed on beeswax before. Is it nasty? Is it like gum? How would that even work? Sidway says yes. All right, good deal, man. I love honey sticks from the farmer's market. All sorts of flavors. Yeah, those are good as well. 1.1 billion Shiba Inu burn on Matthew Perry's channel today at 1:30 p.m. Eastern time. Jason, we're gonna go watch after the Clipper stream. Nice. It's the perfect time too, guys. Maybe I'll swing by that. 1:30, depending on the weather. It does say it might be raining. I might be sitting outside, toughing it through the allergies. But I might try to swing by that, Shib Killer. Burning 1.1 billion Shiba Inu coin. Yeah, guys, if you want to go hang out and see that being burnt on Matthew Perry's channel. What channel is it? Is it Matthew Perry's channel, or is it like the... Oh, what is it? Let It Burn channel. Shib Killer, which one is it? Vinegar and lemonade. AMC Trapper, I'm telling you, dude, vinegar with honey, a little dash of it in your lemonade, you're never gonna go back, dude. The sourness of the lemonade or the sweetness of your lemonade, it's not gonna hit the same. You're gonna have to have that little vinegar shot in there. I do remember Pika Power said something, darn it. I don't know. Julie sold my Cardano too. I don't know if you remember it, but 2 months ago you told me it was the best decision you made. Thanks. Boom! Not financial advice, baby. No, anybody that sold off in the last 2 months or something, you guys have done pretty well. Can't wait to burn all my Shiba. Vengeance. Don't burn all your Shiba, dude. Yeah, alright, cool. Matthew Perry's channel then, not the Let It Burn channel. So make sure to check that out, guys. Fun fact, the people who benefit most from burns are people who don't participate. That's true, too, but also, I don't even know if they benefit from it. You know, we're seeing no immediate price action from Shiba Inu coin burns. So I just don't think they have the downfall of burning their coins. And I don't know what these people are. I think a lot of the burn that's going to be going on Matthew Perry's channel today is transactional volume from Shib burn. What's the coin? Shib Killer. Do you know what's the name of that coin? Shib burn or something? I think a lot of the coins being burned today are from the transactional volume on that. I'll watch it tonight. Can't make it at 1:30 p.m. Very nice. Dwight, apple cider vinegar, ginger, lemon, and honey. Yeah. What is it? Turmeric? Is it turmeric or something? I put a little bit of that in there too. Ginger could actually be pretty good. I don't have any ginger right now, but ginger could be pretty good in that too. Shibburn. Okay, Shibburn. Yeah, okay, good deal. Beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes. I don't know what I'm talking about, Vengeance. Make sure your apple cider vinegar is organic with the mother. It's a miracle potion in water with lemon and honey. I'm telling you, Danelle, yes, if you get that Bragg's apple cider vinegar, you put some honey in there, you don't have to put it in water. Like I said, you can put it in water if you want, but dude, I just put it in my drink. Like I put it, you guys know those little ice drinks that are different flavors. You got lemonade and you got you got all sorts of flavors, but yeah, dude, put a little in there. delicious. You guys got to get on that. Are you going to burn any Shiba? Pugnacious, you know, man, I don't know. And I don't have a problem saying that I don't know if I'm going to be burning any Shiba for a couple reasons. You know, I don't think that it's necessarily a good idea to be burning our money or be spending our money on burning the coin. Now, I know people are saying, well, dude, put a video out and burn the stuff. I have no problem recommending anybody go burn or go watch Matthew Perry's channel, watch Bigger Entertainment's channel. There are already so many guys out there that are dedicated at this point to burning through playlists and so on, that I have no problem recommending them and saying, well, go watch one of their videos instead of watching one of my videos, to if you're into burning Shiba and things like that. But as far as me like taking my money and just sending it away to a burn wallet, I almost said I'd rather pay taxes than just send it to a dead wallet. I don't know if that's necessarily true either, so I might hold that statement back. But I don't know if I'm going to be sending it just away like that. According to the same theory, honey is moistening, calming, and tonifying to the lungs, meaning they relieve dry throat and cough while restoring normal lung function. Layer the onion slices or you can just smoke. Lewis, nobody's smoking some green stuff, man. Come on. Andrew Connolly, thank you for the cool. Andrew, you know what you are, man? Cool. Andrew is cool. Andrew, thank you very much. And I just realized that the microphone was over there behind the camera. Guys, you know what that is. Oh, nope, can't see it. You guys know what that is, right? Lava lamp. Thank you, Danelle. Appreciate that lava lamp. Got it on every single day. Blowing my electric bill out of the water. I'm just kidding. No, you're not. I burn Shiba by playing Brickbuster. Now, I did play. I have not played it in a while, but I used to play that. Now I don't even know what the game is called. You guys probably know what it is. Might even be the same guys that did the brick. No, I think it was the coffee company that had that game. The little Shiba guy. It was almost like you were playing Mario, but you had that Shiba Inu dog, and it was very similar to a game of old school Mario. I did play that game for a while, so I did burn doing that too. Bite up in a small pan and pour in just enough raw honey to cover the onions. You may need more or less than 1 cup. Dude, if you're boiling, but you gotta be careful boiling honey because then it just starts to burn if you leave it on too long. Or you can just smoke. No. You guys are crazy, man. There's a cayenne lemon ginger drink I sometimes get from the produce section. You know what, Cassie? That's probably where they got the vinegar and honey, and I think it's turmeric, right? It's probably in the same section. So I just made it myself now. Clear, bro. Are we rich yet? Kyle, we're on our way, man. We're on our way. You guys got to remember, just define rich by being content with what you got, and you're going to be rich every day of your life. Glorious AMC Theta Burn in close today. Frank, I don't know what we're going to have into the close today. $10 to get you about 1 million Shiba burn. I can donate $10 for a good cause. Well, it's actually $20, so $20 right now. $23 gets you 1 million Shiba. I don't know about the $10. So it's just a handle and a paycheck. So it's just a handle and a paycheck. Pugnacious. What about the handle and a paycheck? Not exactly sure. A lot of people are smoking on a lot of people are Devil's Advocate or Devil's Advocate. Just because you said Devil's Lettuce. AMC Trapper. A lot of people are, man. I don't know. Not me, but a lot of people are. We need to see it every day. The lava lamp. Yes, you do need to see the lava lamp every day. We'll give you guys a little glimpse of it every day there. Looking very good right now. Why is your electric bill in the water? Dude, that paper is going to be totally destroyed. It's in no time. You won't be able to see how much you owe, man. You better blow it out of the water. I know. I got to get it out. No, my electric bill's not in the water. Dude, I don't even know if they send me a paper electric. I don't even know if they send me a paper bill. I don't even know if I get paper bills. My lava lamp is annoying. Have to have it on for like 3 hours. Yeah, Cassie. Maybe you get a really cold house or something, but this one warms up a little quicker because it's smaller. But the one downstairs, I got to have it on at least an hour before it starts moving. Maybe you need a new bulb though too. I don't know. Hey, real question. The YouTube Shiba videos really burn Shiba, and do you have to watch all 17 minutes, or you can just skip to the end? So, Lewis, I'll tell you this, man. I'll tell you this. Please, let me answer Chris first, or let me talk to Chris because he's got super chat, and then I do want to answer that. Chris, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Hello, my beautiful Abe family. Been slinging mulch, getting a lot of overtime. Rain day today, but watching Dexter, so time slipped by. Glad to be here. Chris, man, absolutely glad to have you in here, and thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it, man. You're one of the Abes, dude. You're one of us. Glad to have you in here. And Lewis saying, hi, Pika. Doesn't say hi to me, but he says, hi, Pika, what's going on? Lewis, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Directly commenting to Pika Power there. I like it. But, okay, so, Lewis, how it works with these Shiba Inu coin burns and things like that. I don't know which burn video you're specifically referencing, and I don't know how many ads that burn video has in it. But if somebody's got a burn video out there that's 17 minutes long, I mean, honestly, he should have just put an ad every single minute in that 17-minute video. And I don't know where he put ads in there. So if you want to watch it like all the way through, you can watch it all the way through. But the ad views are what counts. Now, saying that, if you just go in, watch an ad, and then leave, go in, watch an ad, it's going to hit his watch time on that video. You know, YouTube's not going to really recommend that video to anybody because they see that people are only watching it for 10 seconds and then they're leaving and they're not interested in it at all. But, you know, how old is that video now anyway? I doubt if that video is several weeks old or a month old that YouTube's going to be recommending that video to anybody, or it's going to be ranking in search or anything like that. So if he's got ads placed throughout the whole thing, you can let it play. But if he's only got one ad at the beginning, it doesn't matter if you watch just the one ad and literally just skip or close it out right after that, or if you watch the entire thing, it's still going to contribute the same amount of money to be burnt. So, yeah, there's some things to worry about, like watch time and things with YouTube wanting to recommend videos by keeping people entertained and keeping people in the video. But I don't know the 17-minute video how many ads it has in it. Dude, if I made a burn video, it would literally just be me sitting here and you get hit with an ad like every 30 seconds so that it will be able to burn as much as possible. And sorry for my bad English. Now, your English is great, Luis. Cladinho, Dabrozinho, Simoninho. How are you today, Simon? Luis, your love is making Clay rich, man. Pika Power. Pika Power's got a lot of fans in here. Probably more than I do. It's crazy. Pika, I love it. Is called Shiba Burn Community on YouTube. Okay, do you know who it's by? Because, Lewis, 17 minutes, you can get a lot of ads in a 17-minute video, and I do think that, I mean, a burn video, what do you get really watching it for? You're watching it to burn Shiba Inu coin. So, dude, whether it's Matt Perry's video or Bigger Entertainment's video, whoever's video it is, just load that thing up with ads. I mean, people are just letting it play in the background anyway. Chris, thank you very much for another super chat. Also, remember, we are pieces of coal in the diamond forging process. If you stop, you will stay a piece of coal. I might as well be a turd. So don't sell when you break even and squeeze the crap out of AMC. Chris, it is true, man. It is true. And I'm telling you right now, when people go back up to break even on AMC, there will be a lot of people tempted to take their profits or take their break even and get out and say, forget it, man. I've been through too much emotionally with this stupid ride. I am out and I'm not looking back. And that's a bad attitude to have. Chris is absolutely right on that. Especially if there's still short interest out there. Chris, if we've got short interest and everything is still pointing towards a short squeeze on AMC, you know, I'm still positive it's $16 right here. I looked the other day, my average is at $13.88. So I'm still positive, and I absolutely think that if the numbers are there Follow the numbers, not the emotions. Dwight, thank you very much for the super chat. He says, have a nice McDonald's on me. Dwight, man, thank you. I don't know. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know when the next time I'll be going to McDonald's is. But I can promise you the next time I do go to McDonald's, I will be thinking about you. Next time I go to McDonald's, Dwight, are you on Twitter? I don't even know if Dwight's on Twitter. I don't know who's on Twitter these days. Next time I go to McDonald's, I might have to take a picture of the food and tag Dwight in it. Dwight, man, thank you very much. If you're not on Twitter, the guys in here that are on Twitter will tell you that I tagged you in the picture of McDonald's. So thank you very much, Dwight. Absolutely appreciate you, man. Amber, hello and welcome. Amber, hello and welcome. Who's it? We got Amber in here right now. Amber, hello from Holland. Shiba Inu Holding. Amber 2017, glad to have you in here. I love all equally. Clay's channel has made me more, so it's only right to send some back. Lewis, you're the man, dude. Lewis, Lewis is sweet. Lewis is a good dude. Big ups, Dwight. Yes, man. Big ups. Big ups, small ups, all the ups, dude. We got you. Dwight the Whale with another super chat. Dwight the Whale. Dwight's got to change his name to Dwight the Whale. Rotten Ronnie. Oh, that sounds dirty. Kyle, I'm in Northwest Kansas, so I get free super chats for being here. No, you don't. Do you people even know where Northwest Kansas is? People here think it's a joke. I invest in crypto, and I want to prove wrong. Kyle, what do you mean? Northwest Kansas? No, nobody knows where that's at. Free super chats for living in Northwest Kansas. Do you also get because I'm 99% positive, I don't actually know what part of Kansas it was in, but you could get a free house or free land and a bicycle. No, that was a different one. The one with the bicycle was if you move there, you get either $10,000 or a $10,000 in Bitcoin. In a bicycle. You got $10,000 in Bitcoin and your choice of like a mountain bike or some other bicycle. So, yeah, dude, I wouldn't doubt that you get free super chats for living in Northwest Kansas. Lewis, thank you for the unicorn. Lewis says, I haven't seen this one in a while, and it makes me think about Lauren, and Lauren's going to tell me to gallop. Gallop, boy, gallop. What is this, man? I got okay, it went right. Okay, let me just get it so you guys can see the horn there. All right, Lewis, thank you. Thank you very much, Lewis. Well, dude, my horn is falling over. No, man, my horn's got a little tail on it. Lewis, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that, man. We'll bring that back up there. I don't know why my horn started to fall over like that. Lewis, thank you. Danelle, hello. Amber, hello. Amber alert, she's here. Amber is here. I know where Kansas is. I used to live in Augusta, Kansas, and people always assumed Georgia when I said Augusta. Well, Cassie, I'm not going to lie, okay? I'm not terribly familiar with Kansas geography, but I would imagine you're not familiar with Ohio geography either. I tokened Dwight the Whale. Yes, you did, Pika. That is you. Minted my 2 gimmick NFTs. Took a while. There is a feeding frenzy going on right now. They had to turn on slow-mo of 10 minutes in general of chat in the Discord. Got one with laser... Frodo's one with laser eyes. Is that rare? Dude, I hope you got a super rare one, man. I hope you got a super rare one. What is it? Hold on. I'm feeling crooked here. We got to get this going. I'm feeling crooked. I still feel crooked. Roulette Wheel, great day, Claybroverse. Roulette Wheel, thank you very much for the super chat, man. It is a great day, and it is a great day in the Claybroverse. Roulette, man, appreciate that. Peak of power. Thank you very much, Peak of Power. Is GameStop taking off? What is GameStop? Oh my gosh. GameStop up 19% right now. It is sitting at $1.12 or $112. Now I forget, and I really need to know who got in. It's $70 last week or 2 weeks ago. Who was that in here that got in at one of the most epic fills ever? We could see GameStop down here. They got in. I swear it was either here or... No, it couldn't have been here. I swear it was back here. They got in the $70 range. Who was it? Man, you guys got an epic fill. Sitting at $113, up 20+% right now. My goodness. GameStop is absolutely rocking. We got the NASDAQ sitting above 14,000. We've got Prog sitting at $1.58 right now. Farmy sitting at 1660. AMC sitting... Dude, look at this. I'm not joking with you when I tell you that AMC and Farmy really love to follow each other. Farmy sitting at 1664. AMC sitting at 1664. Tell me something's not weird about that. 16, yeah, now it's moving a little bit. But, man, Farmy is just loving to stay exactly where AMC is at. Well, notice, AMC goes up to the $17 range. I bet Farmy goes up to the 17-cent range. We'll keep an eye on that there. We've got Sundial up almost 8% right now, 57.17. Mullen Auto still back down below $3. CEI AMC starting to move too, guys. AMC starting to move. We get the SPY up 1% right now. BBIG up 0.33%. And HYMC sitting at $1.32, still up 7% on the day. We've got some action. Let's move this here so we can watch AMC and GameStop take off together, and we'll put Prog down here in the bottom right for a minute and watch what happens with those guys. We want to see some run happen. We want to see a run take place here. We got GameStop up 21%. AMC is up 6% right now. Get excited about it. Roulette wheel. We've got the vlog. We are sitting here and we are watching AMC and GameStop take off right now. To everybody out in YouTube world, thank you very much for watching. This is the Claybro vlog channel. We don't have too much going on in terms of the room. We're just sitting here with our crib going on. And then as you guys can see, we're trading here with the Streamlabs and the YouTube and what else do we have open there? Weeble and all of that good stuff. So I want to say thank you to everybody out in the vlog world right there. Roulette, man. Thank you very much for vlog. Appreciate that. Let's hope AMC copies GameStop. I hope it does too, man. AMC and GameStop both sitting on some nice green candles right now. Click, don't think I forgot. I sent you a salt shaker. Okay, never. When did you send a salt shaker? Oh, yeah, Simon sent a salt shaker. Guys, salt's delicious, but you know what? Just for good luck, you take it and you pour the salt out on the table. You pour it on the table and you throw it over your shoulder for good luck. And then because salt does taste so good, you just gotta... Oh, man, and every time you get it in your eye, Mr. Simon, it stings, man. It stings. Simon, thank you very much for the salt shaker. I didn't see it. I would never forget, and I would never not do a super sticker. Thank you very much for the salt shaker, man. Appreciate you. A big green AMC roulette. Oh, yes. What is a Ponzi scheme? That is exactly what you see when people are paying you your interest that you are earning with other people's seed money that they are investing. So the principal always pays the interest of the guys before you. What does Weeble support wallets yet? Not yet, Mel Camino. Not yet. So Weeble does not have crypto wallets. Frank, hope you're feeling better. Quit the crypto manifesto investo. Let's get it, my besto bro. So Kyle. Man, I love action like this. AMC up 6% right now, 1680, stringing together some beautiful green candles. GameStop stringing together some beautiful green candles down here. We've got some moves being made. Absolutely love it. 1694. I think it's only a matter of time too. AMC is sitting at 16 in the 1690s. It's going to tap 17 cents. It's only a matter of time. We'll watch it. We'll watch it and see if it happens here. Only a matter of time before Farmy makes it back up to 17 cents if AMC makes it above $17. So we're going to keep our eye on that. But GameStop sitting up 22% right now, $114.60. It is going on a run, and it is looking good. AMC trying to pull back a little bit. We don't want to see it pull back. We want to see it move higher. So we got to keep that action going on there. So AMC, let's get it. Tamo, AMC is moving. YOLO'd 10 prog calls that expired Friday about 10 minutes ago. Shoot, man, already looking nice. I'm selling all... Dude, if you're selling already, man, take that, make that money, dude. Nothing wrong with getting a nice little run going on, and you've got a run going on here over the last, just 2 minutes. So if you make some money on those prog calls, don't be afraid to take the money you guys make, man. Not everything needs to be diamond held and turned into diamonds. Not everything is a short squeeze. If I decide to cash out any profit, how do I convert it back to cash? Kaisha Carter, are you talking in crypto or are you talking something else? You got to be talking crypto, right? if you're talking crypto, you got to be specific on which one, but you would just trade it for another coin. So if you're in Shiba Inu coin or in another coin and you're buying it on a DeFi wallet, you could go ahead and you could trade that coin for either like a Uniswap or whatever swap you're on, Pancake Swap. You could trade it for BUSD, you could trade it for Ethereum, and then you could go ahead and send that back to your centralized exchange like your crypto.com or your Coinbase or your Binance, and then you can cash it out that way. So that's what you would be looking at if you were going to do it on crypto, and I'm pretty sure that's what you're talking about there. I mean, AMC calls, not prog. My bad. Just used to saying prog. Devil's advocate. Either way, man. Either way. AMC is going on a beautiful run right now. And, dude, if you just got into some calls and you're making some money, man, I don't know what percentage you would be up on those calls. 1640 to 1690. If you're out of the money, if you got anything above $17, it's going to be dangerous to hold those and watch that time value get hit as time goes on. GME leading and AMC is following. Get all excited like Dale off Horrible Bosses when he accidentally inhales Kyle, is that what you're telling me? I get excited like that. So hope the day traders don't screw things up. King Toad, I always hope the day traders don't screw things up. Clay talking about GME going up. I just averaged down on Tilray and AMC by the dip. Let's go. Chris, I have not seen Tilray in a minute. What is Tilray doing here? We just looked at it this morning. Tilray. All right, dude. Tilray is up right now, up 3.5% on the day. Nothing wrong with that, man. And the good news is Tilray is sitting right here in this little area. If it breaks out, you can see a decent run back up to the 650, like 625 to 650 range pretty quick. And then above that, 750. So if you're averaging down on Tilray, good deal, man. Good deal, because when it goes on a run, it could be looking pretty good. Sorry, I'm sniffling, guys. Sorry. So basically, buy into Bitcoin and then cash it out. So you could, I don't know what you are, Kaisha, crypto. Yeah, if you're buying Bitcoin, like if you're buying Bitcoin off a centralized exchange like crypto.com, then yes, you would buy into Bitcoin, and then if Bitcoin goes up in price, you would just, sell that Bitcoin. But you would have to use a centralized exchange, something like crypto.com, Gemini, Coinbase, Binance. There are plenty of links in the description below if you don't already have one of those and you want to use one of those. But you would be using that if you wanted to cash out your crypto. If you already have a very small crypto, like somebody was talking about Volt Inu yesterday, in order to cash that out, you can't just send Volt Inu to a centralized exchange like crypto.com. You would have to trade your Volt for Ethereum, and then your Ethereum, send that to your centralized exchange wallet, and then do your transfers and stuff there. Bro, he's usually the first to welcome us in the chat. He's my neighbor to the north. Frank CFV is the king of the chat today. Everybody check out his channel. Frank making king of the chat today. Frank, man, congratulations. Peak of power crowning Frank. I love it. Day traders, a.k.a. 1348 gang. Oh, man. Oh, guys, I respect Review Dork to a certain extent, right? I don't know about all this coke and hookers things, but dude, yes, he can trade and short the VIX and TMI. All good dudes, right? All good dudes. And yes, if you're looking back, we can just look at it, right? If you're looking back at AMC on a daily chart, I saw one of his tweets the other day saying, next time you get a FOMO run like that, just use the 1348 crossover, the 13 moving average and the 48 moving average. Just use that crossover and you can get out before you're going to be bag holding. Well, sure, man. If you're trading, use the moving average crossover if that's your go-to, if that's your game. If you're a moving average trader and you trade crossovers, do it. But there is a significant difference in trading a stock, especially like AMC, and wanting it to short squeeze and restricting the supply. There is a big difference, and I know they know that, and I know they got their 1348 thing going on, but you can't really day trade or swing trade a squeeze play because the whole point is to restrict the supply and allow it to squeeze higher in price. So yes, looking back, wow, cool. You could have been out on AMC here at $37. well, dude, by his knowledge, you would have been shorting it at $37, and it crossed back up to the upside here at 44, so you'd have been getting out at 44, and then you would have gotten into it at 44, but you would have gotten back out of it at 37 again. So it doesn't always work out. Doesn't always work out. It does look good when you can go back and cherry pick ideas like that, but it doesn't always work out. Let's see. Thanks for the crown, my sister to the south. We got the south sister in the house. What if hedgies cover on April 1st because they think we are all dumb and we think it's an April Fool's joke? Chris, the funny part about that is I can guarantee you people would be saying this is an April Fool's squeeze. The hedge funds are trying to fool us. They are not really covering right now. Short interest could come out, and short interest could be at like 12%, and people would be like, no, this is Ortex trying to play a joke on us. This is an April Fool's joke. The squeeze is not over. We are still in it. Just throwing this out there that it works both ways, and there are likely a handful of swing traders who rode up to 70 and got out much higher than where we are. Just some perspective when throwing shit. Yeah, no, dude. I know for a fact there's probably a bunch of people that made money trading AMC, right? Especially if they did look at the moving averages and played it based on technicals. Absolutely. But you got to remember, is this a swing trade or is this a short squeeze play? And if it's a short squeeze play, you got to play the short squeeze numbers. If it's a swing trade for you, by all means, play the swing trade numbers. But mixing both is probably not going to turn out well. You don't want to mix both. You don't want to get in for a short squeeze and get out on a swing trade, or get in on a swing trade and stay forever trying to hope for a short squeeze. So there are a lot of things you got to keep, I guess, in line. But no, man, 1348, I do believe in moving average trades. I'll put it that way. But you are going to be much, much better off trading moving averages if a stock is trending in a certain direction. Choppy trade, they're going to tell you that it can work. The only way you're going to be making money trading moving averages in like a very choppy session or a very choppy market is if you're not getting out based on the moving average telling you to get out. If you're getting in, you're hitting a 5 to 10% gain on maybe your options or whatever you're trading with it. You're hitting a very short gain, a very small gain, and then getting back out. How can you predict which way the market's going to go tomorrow? Unfortunately, you can't. You have to base it on what the market has been doing and hope that it continues doing that. Frank, I'm still learning, so I get real confused reading those charts. Your videos help me a lot, but at this point, I need a darn mentor. I have real-life ADHD. Kaisha, hang out with us. You're going to be doing just fine, Kaisha. The Devil's Advocate, I voted on your poll. Nice. I did not vote on it yet. Got to go if Claybro says, drink Kool-Aid. Don't do it. No, you can drink lemonade, though. Don't drink the Kool-Aid, but drink the lemonade all day, man. That would be pretty confusing. But my birthday is April Fool's Day, so either way, I'm getting a squeeze that day. Chris, not exactly sure what that means, man, but I hope the best for you. I'm as south as they come. I live in Florida. Dang, man, Florida's got to be much nicer than Ohio right now. Hey, what are your thoughts on AMC buying 20% of the gold mining company? How this benefits AMC, and also thoughts on side of flow. AMC Trapper. I looked at AMC Trapper's name, but Simon, I know there are some people in here that truly believe. Biasi, aí, como você tá? I know there are some people in here who truly believe in Adam Aaron, but I believe Adam Aaron tried to bail his buddy out. I don't see any reason why they would buy that gold mine, knowing that gold mine is unprofitable. That gold mine is facing bankruptcy if they don't mine some gold. They have severe liquidity issues, and it's owned by the same guy that helped save AMC. So I think that he spent that kind of money to help his buddy out. Steph, como você tá, Steph? Dwight, thank you. Chew. Am I doing that? I gotta take a drink. I don't want to like sniffle and sneeze all day because that's just annoying to listen to some dude like sucking his snot all day long. Check the 1348 crossover on AMC 4-hour chart. Crypto Racketeer, I got you right after saying vengeance. Thank you very much for the member chat. Hey, I've been a member longer than 3 months. Yeah, it says 6 months, man. Vengeance says you guys 6-month member chat right there. 6 months, dude. Where do you see 3 at? Definitely been 6, right? Devil's Advocate member for 8 months with the bro of Bat Nips. That is all. You guys are using your member chat to say Bat Nips. I like it. Vengeance, Devil's Advocate, Dwight, man. Thank you guys very much. Stephanie, are you still here? She comes in here, she says something, and then she doesn't say anything else. Shepard, how dare you? Cooking Hookers is a joke. Looks at my Cooking Hookers. Don't worry, baby. He didn't mean that. He definitely didn't mean that. All right, AMC above $17. Let's get it. AMC's rolling. 17.07 now. Looking beautiful. 4-hour chart crossover. Okay, AMC 4-hour chart. 1348 crossover recently. So, yeah, when it's moving in a direction like this, it could work out pretty well for you. But you want to look at this, okay? Because you're not going to be crossing right here. You're most likely going to get in on confirmation, okay? So you have the cross start here, and you're going to be getting in somewhere in this time frame. So let's just give you the benefit of the doubt. I'm telling you, you're getting in at 1590, and you're playing this crossover to the next crossover. 1590. And then you get your crossover here, and you get your confirmation here. So, man, even if you're getting the best part of this candle here, it's 1570. So you could have been doing much better. If you're strictly playing the crossovers to get in and get out, you could be leaving a lot of money on the table. But, how do you time this perfect and get out at 1290? You probably can't. If you're crossing over now, look. This is where you start the cross, and this is the confirmation of the cross. So you're getting in at 1580, and dude, it's looking very good right now. But we could absolutely see, I'm not going to say it's going to turn around and go back. But if it does, you got to have an exit strategy. These could be excellent entry points, but I don't know. I'd probably look for an exit at a different point. But here, you cross over to the upside here. You get in. You're long on this candle right here at 19. And then, you cross over and get out down here at 15. It's tough. You're in here. You short it. You're shorting at, we're playing puts at 1560. No, this is 16. It's 16 at 1660 here. And then once you get back in, let's do this at $19. Crypto Rocketeer. It's obvious when you're looking at a choppy market, especially like right here. You're going long right here, actually, as it's coming back down, and then you're back down here on the crossover. It's very difficult when you've got a choppy market. So Crypto Rocketeer, thank you for bringing up the 4-hour and looking at it that way. But if you guys are interested, you could try to play to the upside on that cross there. Go back out here, AMC 1702. I love seeing the 17s, man. I love it. Where we at here? We've got, guys, stop congratulating me on my time here. Congratulate Clay and or yourselves for being entertaining enough to keep me. Devil's Advocate, I congratulate myself on keeping you here for so many months, man. Devil's Advocate, thank you. Lewis, that 3-month member chat. Blessings, my bros and sisses. Thank you very much, Lewis. Appreciate all of you guys in here today. Here for the ads. Shih Tzu Inu, the ads are the best. That's why I'm here too. Kyle, wishing you a quick recovery. What's going on with Kyle, man? I hope Kyle feels better. Devil's Advocate, true that. Heck yeah, man. I'm glad all of you guys are in here for real. I'm trying to see how Shiba does this year. I see a lot of promise, but I'm new to crypto market. Shiba will keep your blood pressure up. Kaisha, yes. Shiba will definitely, it's much more of a volatile asset than a lot of other cryptos out there. So if you need some action, Shiba Inu coin provides the action. Shiba Inu coin actually falling a little bit right now, sitting at 23.48. Not a big decline from 23.60 to 23.40. Prog down here in the bottom right, sitting at $1.60 right now, up 12% of the day. GameStop soaring 23%, 24% higher, $116.84. AMC sitting at 1701 right now, looking beautiful. We've got the NASDAQ sitting at 14,000. We've got Farming wants to do it. It wants to do it. And I know if it breaks out of this 1667 range, it's probably going to be running back to 17s to follow AMC. We've got Sundial sitting up at 57 cents right now, up 7.5% on the day. Mullen Auto, 294. CEI, 91 cents. Highcraft Mining sitting at $1.33 right now, and BBIG still up 1% on the day. Beautiful action so far, man. I'm very happy with how this day is playing out. AMC up 7% on the day. LFG, Clowny, let's get it. AMC's rolling along with GameStop. Thanks, I appreciate it. Kyle, absolutely, man. I didn't see what was wrong, though. Holy congratulations on all your blue and green members. We are all here for you. Danelle, thank you. But I seriously have to say thank you to all you guys. There's no doubt in my mind you guys are like the best people to hang out with on YouTube. Like there's no doubt. I see some other chats. They can get wild in there. You guys get wild in a good way. They can get wild in a I don't know, pretty bad way. Bro, we on the way to the moon. Oh, I was like, what is OTW? OTW. We're on our way to the moon, man. Yes, we are. Rudy, yo. Destiny Taylor, I'm beginning to think she is a girl dog because she's been real bipolar. Possibly, man, but the boy dogs are the crazy ones. Frank, not home for lunch, only evening stream today, man. Thank you very much there to the Super Chat. And guys, Frank's not going to be home for lunch today, not streaming in between streams, but he will be streaming this evening. So if you want to check that out, make sure to check that out. Okay, Frank does a lot of options trading and looking at a lot of options. LF, go. Let's get it, family. Best community. No doubt in my mind, best community on YouTube. Don't put words in my mouth. I'm here for Trapper and for Lauren. That's exactly why I'm here, Devil's Advocate. So I would not be putting any words in your mouth. Those are my words, too. Thank you, too, Clay. Diddy214, man, I appreciate you. Tap that like button. Guys, we got 101 people in here. Do we have 101 likes? Let's see how many likes we got. We got to have close to 100 likes. Come on, come. 64! Guys make me sad. I don't know. We can make a GoFundMe for Shiba and Volt, and then we all win. Power to the people. Yeah, I mean, I guess you could try to make one. I don't know if you can. You're the best, Clay. I only give out crowns in here so far. Boom, Pika. You're the best. Pika, I love people like Pika that just come in here and make it their home. Pika coming in and giving crowns out, and then it's just like a thing. Moaz today. Oh, Brett, could today be the day, man? Could today be the day? It's not Moaz tomorrow anymore. It's finally Moaz today. Hey there, stranger. Anders, how you been feeling lately, man? I haven't seen you in a while. Great, loved your last video about the convention tomorrow. Lots of promising things coming to the Shiba Army. Destin, I hope so, man. I hope so. And thank you very much for watching it. I do hope that, I don't know, man. Listen, if they're going to be talking about that game at the convention, they can clearly share with us the information that they share at that convention, right? It's not a private convention. They can go out there and they can share the same information with us. I am not at the convention, so I won't have any information that they don't share with us. But, man, I do hope that they give us some good news. Wow, dude, you're not even here for me, Clay. It's fine. I'm not upset, but it's my time for this moment. Walks outside and cries. No, don't cry, man. Don't cry. It'll be okay. You can't really blame me, though, can you? I know you can't. Bro, it's nice to hear that Ape is arising, anxiously waiting for $15 so I'll recover my big loss. Ramiz, $15 on what, man? Anxiously waiting for 15 on AMC. AMC's sitting at 17, man. 71. Let's go. You guys are so close to 100 likes. Don't get short of 100 likes today. We have not seen 100 likes in here in a long time, actually. It's been probably at least a month since we've had 100 likes. Megalotone, I hope you're right. Let's get it. Brett, I hope you're right, dude. I just had injections in my back yesterday. I'm a truck driver, so I am in my rig looking a fool as ever. Like, I don't know why I bring my behind to work today. Yeah, Kaisha, you probably should have just chilled out today if you're getting injections in your back. I don't know what you're getting injected, but don't be looking like a fool sitting around. Some, I guess. I don't like your channel, Dwight. It's sad, man. It's sad. They make me cry. They make me cry afterwards. I'm here for you. Devil's Advocate. I'm here for you too, maybe? No, Devil's Advocate. You know we appreciate you here. Wait, spell yes, then say yes. Y-E-S, yes. And then put an E in front of it and try to say it the best you can. Eyes. Oh, man. Kyle, nice try, dude. Nice try. But I really enjoy riddles or these little games like that. So, eyes, Kyle. Unless it's closed panel at the convention. Andrew, yeah, maybe. But if they're going to the gaming convention, in showing the Shiba Inu game. I don't think that they should be hiding it from anybody else that just didn't happen to be at the Shiba Inu or the gaming convention. I'm fantastic. Lost some interest on AMC, but still holding board. Follow BBIG. So, Andrews, yeah, we got BBIG on here. I don't follow it too much, man. We've got it up in the top left, and we've been watching it. But as far as like all the numbers and everything, I'm not up to date on all of the numbers that they got out there. But we do keep it over here on the watch list, and we have been watching it. Thank you, Danelle and Knock. I can't blame you. I can say with 100% certainty that I've never joined the chat in order to speak to Devil's Advocate. But I join the chat all the time to speak to Lauren, and she just doesn't show up. I'm really interested in day trading. Just need someone to teach me the ropes. So, Kaisha, I'll tell you this, okay? Day trading can be fun, but before you decide to be a day trader, realize that it takes a lot of discipline, and you're going to be looking at short gain, like very small, short-term gains, in and out, and you got to have those little gains add up. There's a lot to it. We could talk about day trading all day, guys. Like I know a lot of stuff about investing in day trading, and I chose to do what I believe is most comfortable for me. Day trading can cause a lot of stress, okay? And the name of the game in day trading is to win more than you lose. It's not to hit every trade perfect, but day trading, swing trading, investing. We could talk about all of those. But guys, if Crypto Rocketeer's dabbing on them, you know what time it is. Boom, baby, dabbing on them. It's time to go, guys. Get your name in the chat right now. Get these shout-outs going, and we will be back later. Justin, what's good, man? How's your afternoon? Justin, afternoon is going great so far, and I'll see you this afternoon session. Peak Power, AMC Trapper, Dwight. Thank you, Dwight. Thank you, Dwight. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Dwight. Man, that was getting my cheeks. Thank you very much. Appreciate that one. We got Destin, Kyle, Shredda, Justin, Frank, Danelle, Shitsu Inu, Cassie, Mr. Simon. Peace out to you. Chad, we got Kaisha, Frodo, Destin, Julia, Gulia, AMC Trapper, 85 likes. Guys, don't forget to click 15 likes on the way out. Get it to 100. We haven't seen 100 in a very long time. Lewis is saying, Pika Pika. Thank you very much, Lewis. Pika? Thank you very much. Appreciate you. Lewis saying goodbye to Pika Power there. Pika Power, I'm almost off formula. Good deal. I mean, you're growing up. You're growing up to be a big, strong girl, Pika. I like it. Lewis, OT, let's go. Destin, thank you, Clay, brother. Absolutely, Destin. Thank you for hanging out with us. Andrew, Keith, see you later. Pringleton, see y'all. I didn't see if AMC Trapper said it or not, but AMC Trapper always says, peace out to the diamond-handed apes. Nick F, if you're listening right now, see you later. SD, if you're listening. Stephanie, if you're still in here, thank you very much for swinging by. And Lauren, if you're listening as well, see you later. Dwight, man, have a great afternoon. Clowny, see ya. Guys, we're going to be back this afternoon, and things are going to be looking good. Chat, see you later. Lewis, out. And if you guys know what time it is, Omar, see you later. If you guys want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.